Welcome to Klondike Solitaire. Playing real time and playing fast. Hopefully not too fast. I'm going to wait on the draw pile. And that's about all I'm going to say here. Let's see what we got. I think that's it for moves there. Alright, draw pile's got nothing. That's interesting. Gonna wait on those moves. This move I can do though. Alright. I think there was another 3, wasn't there? Yeah, I'll cycle through and see what comes back. There should be an ace in the bottom. Yeah, that's the other 3. Gonna play the ace first and then come back. Oh, nice. Nice. That one's really good. Oh, be better yet. This could be a fast game, depending on what's out there. Alright, let's go through again. Maybe I should have moved the 4. Oh no, it won't matter. I got 3. Yeah, it won't matter. Alright, now I gotta start moving some of these big cards. I gotta be careful on the kings. You don't want to just plop them down. Sometimes you can, but we'll see. Okay, that's good. I got a black king. That's what I wanted. Alright, now I'm gonna play faster. There we go. There's another move. Alright, good. I'm sure it's possible I can miss something here if I play too fast. Oh boy. Oh, that's the card I need right there. Wait. I'm going to wait till I cycle through and then play it. Same thing with that 5 and the 8. Well, actually I can play the 8 right now. Alright, 2 moves here. Let's see, number 1. Alright, number 1's good enough. Okay, let's play through again. And apparently I need a 2 of diamonds. It's probably in the bottom of one of these piles here. I think I can play... No, I'm going to play this one first. Nothing there. And let's see what the second card is. Okay, nothing. So... I'll just cycle through again. Let's play this jack and play the 10 and keep our fingers crossed. It's not a horrible, but okay. There's that 2 of diamonds I wanted. Oh, good. Alright, let's see if we can't figure the rest of this out here. Need 3 of diamonds. And let's see. Okay, that's a good card. I think I'm playing that one. I think. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's a very good card. Okay. Alright, that should be the that should be pretty much it right here. I just gotta get the rest of these up top. Oh, and I'll put that one back down there, and we have solved it. And that wraps this up just over 3 minutes. So thanks for watching and good luck.